Hi everyone, I'm Michael Cortesis from the Cortesis Real Estate team. We're at 2 Sunrise Court. This lovely 4-bedroom brick bungalow is situated in a great area, surrounded by custom-built homes. Come on in, let's go take a look. As you walk in, you'll enter the family room with gas fireplace, open to the kitchen, with a walkout to the private deck. You will enjoy entertaining in the formal dining room with cathedral ceiling. The primary bedroom has its own private balcony and a 4-piece ensuite. The main level has 2 additional bedrooms, a 4-piece bath, and the laundry room. The lower level has a rec room with a bar, a gas fireplace, and a walkout. There's also a bedroom, a 2-piece bath, and a den. You will enjoy the private backyard and the hot tub.